Most SUVs look good, but only a few are actually worth buying. If you want something reliable, practical, and built to last, these are some of the best SUVs you can buy right now. Number 5. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of those SUVs that doesn't try to impress you, and that's exactly why it works so well long-term. Toyota's entire philosophy with the RAV4 is built around consistency. They don't constantly reinvent it or push it to the limit. Instead, they refine what already works. The engines are tuned for durability, not performance. And the hybrid system, which is now extremely common, has proven to be one of the most reliable setups on the market. That matters more than people think, because most modern SUV problems come from complexity. Too many electronics, too many experimental systems, too many things that can fail. The RAV4 avoids that trap. It keeps things simple, predictable, and easy to maintain. That's why it consistently ranks among the most reliable SUVs in real-world data and owner reports. In daily use, the RAV4 feels practical. Fuel economy is excellent, especially with the hybrid. There's enough space for families, road trips, or just everyday driving, and it handles winter conditions well, especially with AWD, which is a big deal in places like Canada. Another huge advantage is resale value. These things hold their value extremely well because people trust them, and that trust comes from years of proven reliability. It's not exciting, it's not luxurious, but if you want an SUV that just works year after year, this is one of the safest choices you can make. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the most balanced SUVs you can buy, and that balance is exactly what makes it so reliable. Honda didn't try to turn this into something overly complex or experimental. Instead, they focused on usability. Everything about the CR-V is designed to make ownership easy over time. The engines are efficient and proven. The hybrid system is smooth and reliable, and the overall platform has been refined over multiple generations instead of completely redesigned every few years. That's important, because reliability usually comes from evolution, not revolution. The CR-V consistently scores high in reliability ratings and ownership satisfaction, especially in newer models. In real-world use, it's incredibly easy to live with. It's comfortable, quiet, and practical. There's plenty of cargo space, the seating position is great, and everything inside feels intuitive. You don't need time to learn the car, it just makes sense. Maintenance is also straightforward. Parts are widely available, and most mechanics know these engines inside and out. That means lower repair costs and fewer surprises over time. And just like the RAV4, it handles winter conditions well when equipped with AWD, making it a strong choice for Canadian drivers. The CR-V doesn't try to be the best at one thing. Instead, it's very good at everything. And that's exactly what makes it one of the most reliable SUVs on the road. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is built with a very specific purpose, and that's real-world driving in difficult conditions. Unlike many SUVs that focus on design or tech, Subaru focuses on capability. The Forester comes with standard all-wheel drive, which already puts it ahead of most competitors when it comes to traction and stability. And in places like Canada, that matters a lot. Snow, ice, plahia dorogi, eta realnost, I Forester se tym sprawляется luše bolszenstwa. But reliability isn't just about AWD, it's about how the whole system works together. Subaru uses a horizontally opposed boxer engine, which lowers the center of gravity and improves stability. Combined with a simple, proven drivetrain, it creates a setup that's both capable and durable. Data-driven studies consistently rank Subaru SUVs among the most reliable, especially for long-term ownership and mileage. Another advantage is visibility. The Forester has one of the best visibility setups in the segment, which makes daily driving, especially in Plahuyu Pagodu, much easier and safer. Inside, it's not trying to be luxury. Everything is functional, durable, and easy to use, and that's intentional. Fewer complex systems mean fewer things that can break over time. Maintenance costs are also reasonable, especially compared to more premium SUVs. The Forester isn't flashy, but if you want something that can handle real conditions and keep going for years, this is one of the smartest choices you can make. Number 2. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander takes everything that works in smaller SUVs and scales it up for families. This is one of the most trusted mid-sized SUVs for a reason. Toyota built it with long-term ownership in mind. The engines are proven, the hybrid system is highly efficient, and the overall design avoids unnecessary complexity. That's the key theme again: simplicity and refinement. The Highlander consistently ranks among the most reliable mid-sized SUVs, especially in hybrid form. And for a larger vehicle, fuel economy is surprisingly good. That's a big deal, especially with rising fuel costs. Inside, it's built for real use: 3 rows of seating, comfortable ride quality, and enough space for families, road trips, and everyday life. It's not trying to be sporty, it's trying to be dependable, and it succeeds. Another advantage is how it ages. Some SUVs feel worn out after a few years. The Highlander tends to hold up well, both mechanically and in terms of interior quality. Repairs are also predictable. Just like other Toyotas, mechanics know these vehicles well. Parts are easy to find, and major issues are relatively rare compared to many competitors. It may not be the most exciting SUV, but if you want something that can handle years of use without turning into a problem, this is one of the best long-term choices out there. Number 1. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is what happens when you combine luxury with Toyota-level reliability, and that combination is rare. Most luxury SUVs become expensive to maintain over time. More tech, more complexity, more things that can fail. The RX takes a different approach. Underneath, it shares a lot of its engineering with Toyota models, which means proven platforms, reliable engines, and fewer long-term issues. That's why it consistently ranks as one of the top-selling and most trusted luxury SUVs. Driving the RX feels completely different from most mainstream SUVs. It's quiet, smooth, and refined. The suspension is tuned for comfort, not sport, which makes it ideal for long drives and daily commuting. The hybrid version is especially popular. It offers strong fuel economy without sacrificing reliability, something that many competitors struggle with. Maintenance costs are also lower than most luxury rivals. You're not paying German-level repair bills, even though you're getting a premium experience. And that's the key advantage. The RX gives you comfort, quality, reliability, without the usual downsides of luxury ownership. It's not the most exciting SUV, but if you want something that feels premium and still lasts long-term, this is one of the smartest choices in the segment.